In this video, I'm going to show you how to make doll head planters. It is very simple and easy, so keep on watching. For this project, you will need a doll. You can use a sharp knife or a saw to cut around and create an opening. You also need to cut the trunk part of the doll and make sure there's a drainage hole so you can put in your well-draining potting mix and plant the succulent or any plant of your choice. I'm using a little messy sedum, which is variegated, and a well-draining potting mix for this project. Start potting your plant inside the doll head using the potting mix and the plant of your choice. Put your doll head with your plant on top of the remaining potting mix. Push the doll head down to make it stable. You can also use a popsicle stick or a dowel to make it stand and reinforce it and make it more stable. You can use more succulents to plant in the space to make it more aesthetic. Be creative and style your plant and planter the way you like it to be. Succulents are plants that doesn't need a lot of watering and are good for this type of planter. Before we go to the next doll project, I want to thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I hope you like the content and remember to subscribe. Guys, you can always find dolls from old toys and also from the thrift shops. They're inexpensive. I think these doll head planters are really cute and adorable. So let's go to the next doll. It's a half-body Barbie. I got this from the thrift shop. This type of doll sits on a table or a shelf, and it's ideal for a planter. It doesn't have a drainage hole, so if you want to plant something that you would need soil or potting mix, you need to drill a hole. I normally put a hot glue, before drilling a hole so it won't slip. And if it's a plant that doesn't need any soil or potting mix, you don't have to drill a hole. So for this project, I'm spraying this doll with a metallic rose gold color. You can pick any spray paint that you like. If your spray paint doesn't have any primer, then you need to sand the object or your doll. But if it has already a primer, you don't need to sand your doll. So I'm going to use a Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint that can be applied to any surface like wood, plastic, glass, practically everything. So you need to shake the paint before spraying, and it's important to read the instructions to get good results. Wear a mask, spray in a well-ventilated area, spray, swipe in thin coatings until it looks perfect. The best plants to use are the string of hearts or string of pearls or an air plant. I think this doll head planter is gorgeous and stunning. What do you think, guys? So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.